The Ether or Bitcoin pair is building a market structure compared to its December 2017 low. Therefore, we investigate the likelihood that history may repeat itself. This video will discuss the Ethereum price change pattern and its price predictions. Before we begin, like and share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel. Let's start. ETH or BTC pair. History does not repeat in crypto markets, but there are resemblances. Ethereum's cryptocurrency Ether, ETH, has rebounded sharply and by more than 40% since September, making it reasonable to conclude that the calls for an ETH bottom have some merit. There's a striking resemblance between the present structure of the ETH or BTC pair and the structure that was in place in December of 2017, just before its 400% bull run. This is even though the price of ETH has risen significantly since that time. In technical analysis, the term fractals refers to recurring market formations, which is just a fancy way of saying recurrence. There is considerable credibility to the assumption that a market structure that existed before may have effects comparable to those observed now, since technical analysis focuses mainly on investor behavior. An ETH or BTC market bottom would serve as an early warning sign for the USD pair of that cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency market in general, if this scenario played out strictly as intended. For a long time now, there has been a clear correlation between the success of ETH and the rest of the altcoin market. As a result, most cryptocurrencies adhere to the ERC20 token standard and run the Ethereum network. Ethereum price pattern. Too far, Ethereum's price has ranged from $1,281 down to $880 since it was first launched between June 18 and 26. Ethereum's $1,281 high was a key target to keep an eye on even before the cryptocurrency started its upward trajectory. After 3 attempts, Ethereum's value has been unable to transform this point into a support level. Since July 8, there has been an 18% decrease in the number of rejections. ETH is selling at a lower price than the range's median value of $1,080 due to this correction. To return above the median, Ethereum's price fell below the threshold. In this way, we can see that the initial degree of support has evolved into a barrier to further progress. Investors may believe that the price of Ethereum will go below the immediate support level of $1,041, which is situated at $880, and then return to the range bottom at that price. If it sweeps the level in issue, it might seize any liquid assets underneath it. One of two things may happen in this case. Ethereum might return to the $1,280 level if it just breaks over the $880 barrier, and then quickly rebounds above it. On the other side, if the price of Ethereum fails to meet this target, there is a high probability that it will fall back to the $660 support level. History of Ethereum. Founder of Ethereum Vitalik Buterin said, "I think members in the Bitcoin community weren't dealing with the problem properly. I thought they were aiming for specific applications. I felt they were striving to support each use case in some sort of Swiss Army knife protocol." For him, there was no room for error. He was barely 17 when he first became involved with Bitcoin and helped start Bitcoin Magazine. His exposure to and interest in blockchain technology grew over this period. In 2013, he presented a white paper utilizing a comprehensive programming language to explain what would become Ethereum. In this paper, he described how he imagined an alternative platform that went beyond the financial use cases given by Bitcoin. Differentiating it from Bitcoin was primarily the platform's ability to trade assets other than cryptocurrency. More than $18 million in Ether, the Ethereum currency, was raised via a crowdfunding effort started by Buterin and the other Ethereum co-founding members of 2014 to jumpstart the project. Cryptocurrency Ethereum's first complete release, Frontier, was released in 2015. It has grown significantly since then, with hundreds of developers actively engaging in the platform's activities. When it comes to blockchain applications without a specialized framework, Buterin hopes Ethereum will be the solution. As it develops, Ethereum has many of the same challenges as Bitcoin, notably scalability. Concerns about the network's security arose in 2016, when an unnamed hacker made off with $50 million worth of Ether. A split in the Ethereum community led to forming 2 independent blockchains, Ethereum ETH and Ethereum Classic ETC. Ethereum price prediction. Ether's price will be just as volatile as Bitcoin's in the following months, if not more so. This is mainly because Ethereum is updating its technology to a less energy-consuming form, which industry insiders refer to unofficially as Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum's enhancements might make it more appealing and sustainable for widespread use. Here are some Ethereum price predictions for the year ahead: $4,000 to $5,000. Although it is impossible to predict a volatile cryptocurrency's value, most industry experts we surveyed believe that ETH price will once again top $4,000 in 2022. Bloomberg intelligence analyst Mike McGlone said that the price of Ethereum would end the year somewhere in the range of $4,000 to $4,500. However, how much farther can it go from here? Each of these factors can potentially increase this project's long-term value, $6,500 to $8,000. According to the cryptocurrency news portal Coinpedia, ETH price might end in 2022 at anywhere between $6,500 and $7,500 if the current bullish upswing continues. On the other hand, it had a negative plunge in 2022, making it clear that the price of Ethereum will not rise only on sentiment. While the Ethereum development team continues to work on its second-generation enhancements, the blockchain now confronts substantial competition from other platforms that fill in the gaps left by the blockchain. Henry Arslanian, the global crypto leader for PwC, remarked that Ethereum was the only game in town at the moment in an edition of CoinDesk's First Mover, which aired on January 12, 2019. Several hurdles must be overcome before the price of Ether can continue its upward trajectory. I think Ethereum can reach to $8,000, investor and CEO of crypto research and media company Token Metrics Ian Ballina told Next Advisor. Ethereum is the obvious frontrunner, but other blockchains are onboarding new users at a faster rate than Ethereum is able to do, due to Ethereum's high gas prices and slow transaction speeds. $12,000 plus. To put things in perspective, Coinpedia predicts that Ethereum's price will reach $12,962.33 by 2022. Although Ethereum service prices are notoriously high, recent improvements might enable minting and manufacturing commodities utilizing Ethereum to be more cost-effective for users. Ethereum's Future. There is a general trust that the original smart contract blockchain will survive this testing phase, although Ethereum and other factors contribute to its ongoing volatility. According to Arslanian, an estimated 90% of the NFT market is dominated by Ethereum. This is going to be a very crucial year for Ethereum, a kind of make-or-break year, said the Ethereum blockchain project's creator. The current Ethereum dip will be short-lived, based on Xano's statements to Next Advisor. What I feel Ethereum has is the momentum of community that allows a collection of really talented individuals to produce innovation and identify new opportunities, Xanos concludes. What I believe Ethereum has is the momentum of community that enables a group of highly brilliant individuals to explore new possibilities, he says. When it comes to my optimism about Ethereum's future, I base it on how many different things I can accomplish with it. Okay, guys, these are all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you think this video was helpful, please let us know in the comments below.